Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, I found the lost video of Ivyland, the GoPro footage. So I'm putting together a new video of Ivyland and showing some of the stuff I did on the other side too. Alright, check it out. Well, I'm back at Ivyland, and this is that GoPro footage I was talking about that I lost, and I didn't want to show this whole other GoPro footage because I don't know, the lighting's really bad, and I didn't get a lot of stuff. I didn't get the end of, really painting the fox completely, but I thought I would at least, show you guys this. And I sped this up a couple times to make it a little bit faster. So the whole video is under 5 minutes, but I still wanted to show you painting the fox character. And as usual, you can see how I'm reworking it. I paint over it and then I fix it, or I cut things and change it. And that's just how I roll. I really like his eyes though in this one. They're kind of humanistic eyes more, not as cartoony. I apologize for the shadow, but it was so hot that day. It was like almost 100. And later on I put a wrap around my neck and sprayed it because I was just, you can see the sun hitting the window, the reflection, but it was just beating down on me. And I've got a mask because there's kids around there coming in and out. But I was really surprised so many people there weren't wearing masks. It was really kind of scary, like going in. And there's people coming in and out. So yeah, I miss some of the footage here, but here I'm painting in. I did this the reddish color, kind of almost like a brick red, and then I'm going in with my 2-inch foam. Sometimes I just use the 2-inch foam to do the shadows and stuff, and I don't worry about making it like all perfect, like using the MAC 162 flat brush, which is great for more detailed stuff. Probably when I do the blue around the fox's muzzle and stuff, I'll use a flat. Well, we'll see here in a second. Or I don't even know if I show that part. Like I said, I missed some of the footage of this, but what happened here? I gotta edit this out. Oh, it's almost over with anyway. Okay, I was just walking over there to get something. I gotta get better at editing. Oh, I was going to make a highlight color, so I probably took that orange, the original local color, that reddish orange color for his body, and probably added some white. But you can see how the 2-inch foam is awesome for just like really quick swipes and highlights and shadows. The camera's jiggling around because I got this kind of funky thing that's holding it. And again, this lighting is, terrible. With the GoPro, you can't really see what there's no screen on this particular GoPro. I know the later models had that. But yeah, here I'm just going in with the black. This is the golden high flow acrylic carbon black. My new, well, I wouldn't say it's new now, but when cell vinyl got discontinued, I went with this. You can see I got the thing on my neck now to keep me cool, because man, like I said, it was blistering. So now I've got this is a small, probably like a rigger or a more pointy brush. It could be a flat too. It could be the 1/8 inch 162 MAC. I use those for outlining also. But I think this is, one of those more pointed with a pointed end brush. I guess they call them script liners or something. They got a long, the brush part is really long. Anyway, thanks for watching. I know this is kind of short and a little bit incomplete and the lighting kind of sucked, but thanks for watching anyway. And I'll post some more of this stuff from Ivyland soon. Alright.